Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year. Hope you had it good. Yeah, so we have a bit of snow here now. I've been working so much, driving, loading all night and plowing snow during the day almost now. So, but yeah, now I'm free for a couple of days now. So now I'm gonna tend to my house here. But yeah, I'm gonna show it. There has come so much snow now. As you can see here, I have been walking around the... This is all the wind on my shadows. This is the wind that has done all this. So I could just walk outside and walk this path to work now. So, but yeah, now I'm gonna try to do something about this. So it's been blowing a lot. I mean a lot. It was a crazy winter storm. And yeah, this is also it's been a while since it has come so much snow. Yeah, you can see my road here is it's almost like up in the north. At least on the road where you see outside the road, it's not so much. It has the wind was so strong that it blew. So he could. The tractor was here and plowed, and 1 hour later it was totally oversnowed again. So the super hard winds and a lot of snow. So but yeah, really nice day today. No winds now and no snow. Just really cold. It's like 10, 12 minus degrees Celsius now, so it's cold now. Yeah, and I have had so not that much, but yeah, you see now the road is totally drivable. But yeah, you see how much snow it is on the sides. So it has been so much snow on the road. So I had yeah, and it's like this everywhere. So I haven't really been able to film so much lately here. So yeah, really sorry for the lack of videos lately here. And yeah, I'm gonna... but yeah, I've found some nice video, some nice houses to film now. So yeah, and I had a guy from Netherlands here visiting. We went and looked at some houses, and yeah, it was here, a really nice guy. So yeah, it was really fun, and he's gonna come back in the spring, and we're gonna find a house. I was working, so we didn't have that much time to look around as I hoped. But yeah, we're surely gonna find something. But yeah, we found a couple of nice houses that I'm gonna film, and we were there, and it was, but then it was not this much snow. It was a lot of snow then back then also, but now it's like, yeah, it's a record. It was almost 50 minus degrees, 46 minus degrees up in the north somewhere. Not record, but yeah, in the coldest it's been in 25 years. The coldest it's been in 25 years in Sweden. Yeah. And it's holding. The cold is not... it's been 2-3 weeks now where it feels like it's been not this cold, but it's been cold. So but yeah, so I just thought I said hi guys, and just sorry again for not filming. I'm gonna keep it up. 2024 is gonna be a good year to film, and it's gonna come a lot of videos and lots of cool stuff. I'm gonna try to go to different stores and talk about maybe paint and different techniques and stuff like that, and talk to other passionate people that like this stuff. So it's gonna... a lot of stuff gonna come, I promise. Okay guys, hope you're having a good 2024 so far. And stay safe, and see you soon. Okay, bye.